What is going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we are doing another Mickey's Mystery Box. This is the last one that we have got, and today is the Happily Ever After. So, let's open it up.
Pick a side. Any side.
That worked.
You are very bad at that. There we go. Oh boy. I've been wanting one of those. Oh, easy, easy. Oh! Oh!
Today we have got the Happily Ever After box. This is the best way to get the best bang for your buck, Disney style. This box promises that you will get at least 200% retail value in the box. This box comes with two different sizes, regular and large. So this box costs $40. It's $39.95, but you're guaranteed to receive at least $79.90 in retail value inside of this box, meaning it's about 200%. All the items in this box are from Walt Disney World, and they are Walt Disney World merchandise. Some things to note: that you can tell them your gender and your age range, and they can kind of specify the box to fit you a little bit better. You can also tell them your shirt size, but you can also use the coupon code WDW Couple 20 to save yourself 20%. The website is Mickey's Mystery Box, and you can follow them on Instagram at Mickey's Mystery Box. I was gonna say .com, but it's
Instagram, so there's no .com.
So, yeah, what do we got?
All right, we got a couple things. I want to start with this because I'm so excited about it. It's a Disney Wishable. These are actually like a new stuffed animal type thing that have come to the parks, and basically what it says is, Wishables are the magic of Disney parks come to life. Let these soft, huggable friends join you on all your adventures and see what magic they can make. And this is the Finding Nemo Submarine Collection, and it includes one plush toy, and it could either be Dory, Bruce, the Nemo Submarine, or Darla. Let's find out what's what is inside. It's the submarine!
That's looks just like a...
It's got a little smiley face right here. It looks like the Tsum Tsums.
Yeah, this looks like a Tsum Tsum.
Well, we actually have a perfect little spot on our Tsum Tsum shelf that we can set it on, so. It is actually super soft.
So soft.
But I'm really excited about this. I've been seeing them in the parks lately, and they're really cute, so.
Cool.
We can add one, our first one, to the collection.
It'll probably be the last.
For now.
For now.
The next one is definitely a mug. I can tell by how it's wrapped.
Really? Are you sure?
100%.
Easy.
Oh, look at that. This is
Oh.
a little frozen Arendelle-like mug.
It is. We don't have this one.
No, I don't have this one. Pretty cool.
Josh has a huge collection of mugs, so
I do.
we do have an Olaf mug already, but we do not have this frozen mug that is kind of like, almost looks like embroidery or like,
It's digitized.
yeah. It's kind of cool though.
Pixelated.
Yes, it is. So, I am super excited about this next item in the box because I do not have these, and by these, I mean ears. And they are the classic Minnie Mouse ears with the little flower on the top and the blue polka dots. I love this. It's actually white polka dots on the blue ears.
Yeah.
What I meant, but I'll throw them on real quick. Even though they don't match my outfit, gotta try them on for size. And if you don't know, trying to get the tag out of the way.
There you go.
All the Minnie Mouse ears are like one size, so just so you're aware, there is no bigger size than this right here. But they're super cute. I'll add them to my growing and large mini collection that I need to do a video of soon.
There's a lot over there.
Actually, it does kind of match with the pink bow, doesn't it? Kind of.
They're really like, that's more like rose gold red.
Close enough.
All right. Next thing we have got is all wrapped up.
I don't know what this is.
This feels like a kitchen utensil or something. Kitchenette-y. Homeware. Home good. Oh, it is. Check that out.
Oh! We don't have this either!
This is like a little, you set your...
It's like a spoon rest.
You set your spoon rest in it, and it's a Mickey.
You set your spoon rest in it.
You set your spoon in it, and this
And
is
it
a
rests.
Mickey. It's a Mickey hand.
Yeah!
That's pretty
it's
cool.
like his glove. That's so cool.
Awesome.
We will definitely use that. I don't know what this is in here.
No idea. Probably an ornament.
I think it might be sunglasses.
Shades.
It is. Oh, they're cute. They're hearts.
Shades on my eyes. Shades on my eyes. Is that a song?
No.
I just made it up.
J's on my feet, you know it. J's on my feet, you know.
I actually don't have any heart-shaped sunglasses. So I am pretty excited about these. I just got a whole new look here from the start of
And
the
to
video.
go with that look, we've also got a... What is this?
Is it like a scarf?
This is a Pirates of the Caribbean bandana, and it's pink and black, so it really would match with the rest of Taylor's outfit. They also sent a little antenna topper. What's Mickey?
It's like an Americana Mickey.
It's Americana. And then they also sent a Magic Kingdom map.
They actually put a park map in almost every single box.
I think
Pretty
they
much,
do.
I think they send them in every box that they send out. So
Probably.
it's kind of exciting because the maps actually do change in the parks pretty frequently.
Yeah.
You know, at least the picture on the front changes. So, you know, whenever it's Halloween time or whenever Galaxy's Edge opened up at Hollywood Studios, those maps kind of change. So
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
But that's it. That's everything in the box.
That is the box. And the ears themselves are almost $30. So
Right.
this box was definitely worth it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good value. I think the mug is $13.99. This soup handle thing, what is this? A
spoon rest.
This spoon rest is $9.95. How much are those? Is the price tag
I
on
don't
them?
know.
Doesn't say.
No. So it's actually weird because in some of the parks and on some of the merchandise, it doesn't actually have the price listed. Like these sunglasses, it doesn't have the price. It just says maroon. And what that means when you're in the parks looking at price tags, it will have like a color on there and then that correlates to a price.
Yeah. And then this bandana was $11.95. So, not a bad deal.
No, I think you definitely get your money's worth from these boxes. And it's always kind of a surprise. So if you don't live locally like we do, and you live far away and you're looking forward to having something from the parks, or you're just a little bit homesick, you can always get a Mickey's Mystery Box and have some magic delivered right to your door.
Yeah, pretty cool. I don't have anything else to add, but if you're interested in checking out Mickey's Mystery Box, you can head on over to mickey'smysterybox.com and use the code it's just WDW Couple 20. And I think it'll save you like 20%. I'm assuming that's what 20 stands for.
Yeah, so let us know if you plan on getting a Mickey's Mystery Box.